Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to be talking about Module 4. So this is our last module in the class. We are almost done with the semester. So let's head to our important due dates page. And here in important due dates under Module 4, we can see that we have some assignments due. So the first thing to make sure that you complete is the Composition 2 final draft. This will be turned in via assignments by Sunday, November 24th. The feedback journal is due by Wednesday, December 11th, which is the last day of class. The 13th through the 19th, I'll have appointment slots available so that we can make an appointment to do the final oral exam. This is through Zoom. This is the same thing that we did before for the midterms, where you meet with your partner, me and your partner, to complete the final oral exam, and I'll give you guys as well a study guide for that, like I did before. That gives two different options, and as well the different activities on VHL. So if we head to VHL, we see that we have on the 24th different activities for homework and partner dialogues, and we'll head to the next month, or no, December, excuse me, as soon as it loads. See what we've got going on for December. Let me check and see if I can do it again. There we go. So there's no VHL dialogues after Thanksgiving, and then the last dialogues that we'll have will be due on the 8th. Okay, so this one's a little bit less. I think some of them have like 17 or 20 activities. This one only has 13. Remember, our last day of class is the 11th, then the 13th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th we'll be doing final exams. Okay, one thing I did want to announce for VHL, if there are any activities that you did not complete by the due date, please complete those. I will let you guys kind of make those up for credit if there's anything that you did not complete in VHL. All right. And then here, we're going back to our D2L page. So let's go to content, all the way down to module 4. And then it gives you everything that you need. So the biggest thing to remember for the composition final draft is that you have to turn it in via Word doc, double space, 12-point font, and highlight the changes that need to be made based on my feedback. And if you don't do this, then 10 points will be deducted from your final grade. This is where we will discuss the oral exams for Zoom, and I'll put the study guide for you. You have the link to VHL. And other than that, we don't have much more left. Make sure that you turn in the feedback journal and the composition here through assignments. So this is where you need to make sure that everything is turned in. And other than that, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great rest of the semester.